Well, it's cold outside, but at least we don't have any of this stuff, snow. People in Erie County, New York, woke up to several inches of snow today. Many spent their mornings trying to dig out as the lake effect snow kept falling. Some people reported more than 2 feet by mid-morning. I would call that like a Christmas special almost. Initiates you into the season.
It sure does. It kind of forces you into it, doesn't it? Some places could still pick up another 2 feet of snow by the time the weekend's all said and done. Places like Watertown, New York could see 6 feet of snow. But like Aziza said, we don't have that here. We just have the bitter cold that's producing that lake effect snow. Even up to portions of northwestern Pennsylvania, Erie, Pennsylvania, getting a lot of that lake effect too. We're cold again tomorrow. High temperatures will be in the 30s. Low temperatures tomorrow morning will be in the 20s. You factor in that wind, even though 5 to 15 miles per hour, and it will feel like the teens and the teens and the 20s. High temperatures today peaked at 39 degrees. Our low this morning was 28 degrees. It was a cold morning. In fact, the last time that we were colder than today, or at least this morning, was back on February 25th when we had a low temperature of 22 degrees. That was 279 days ago. The last time we had a high temperature less than 40 degrees was February 17th. When we had a high of 38 degrees, that was 287 days ago. So if you're not quite used to this cold, that's why. It's been a while since we've seen temperatures as cold as they were today, and we're getting cold again. 33 degrees out there right now. Dew points are in the 20s, so the air is dry. That wind out of the west around 15 miles per hour is making it feel like it's 23 degrees. So it is a bitterly cold evening out there. Feels like temperatures through the Lehigh Valley are in the low 20s as well. Actually, Allentown just dropped to 19 degrees. We'll see those temperatures drop into the mid, if not lower 20s across some parts of the area. Lehigh Valley will drop down to around 22 degrees under those mostly clear to partly cloudy skies. As we go through the day tomorrow, well, we'll start off with feels like temperatures in the teens and low and mid 20s. Despite partly cloudy conditions and some peaks of sunshine, we'll only feel like the 30s for much of the afternoon. In fact, the Lehigh Valley will likely stay feeling like the 20s for the majority of the day tomorrow. As we go into Monday morning, the kids get back to school after the holiday. It will be a very chilly start Monday morning. It'll feel like 14 in Allentown, feel like 23 here in Philly. South Jersey down the shore, it'll feel like the mid and low 20s. Our normal high temperatures in the low 50s this time of year, and we will stay well below normal as we go through next week with highs struggling to climb out of the upper 30s to low 40s. There's that lake effect snow up there. We won't see any of that. We'll keep the cold Arctic air in place as we head through the next several days. But looking ahead to Wednesday night to Thursday morning, a fast moving Clipper system could actually bring a few snow showers to the area. That will be something to watch. Right now, it looks like any accumulation would be minimal at best. Quick look at the 7-day forecast shows you that cold forecast ahead. Temperatures staying well below normal with highs staying in the 30s as we go into next weekend. More CBS News Philadelphia coming right back after the break. Stay with us.